What's going on, guys? Michael here, and today we're going to be talking about the best way to make money online. I'm going to show you how to get started for free, and then I'm going to show you how to automate the full system if you have some money to invest in growing the system. Now, let's talk about the first thing you want to do in order to get started with this method, and that is going to be to select a tool from our checklist. Now, this is the digital playbook, and it is a list of over 130 tools that I promote and that you can promote as well. And these are all affiliate tools. So that means is if you want to promote, let's just go with Opus Clip. You just scroll down to the very bottom, become an affiliate, and then once you do, you will get a link that you can send traffic to. So you're going to select a tool, find some keywords. Now, when you're looking for keywords, I just go to Google and let's go just ChatGPT. Scroll down. This is incognito, so I don't know if it's going to do it or not. But normally it also will say what people are also looking for. Yeah, right here. And then what I do is you just click on them. And as you see that when you're clicking on them, more keywords are opening up. And this means that people are searching for this. So looking for keywords are good to put in titles in your short form content, but these are mainly for blog posts that you don't want to write about. That's not what we're going to talk about this in this video. We're going to be more talking about replicating and generating content, sending traffic, then automating this process. So that's high level overview of affiliate marketing. Now, how are you going to start creating content? My go-to tool is Shineify. It allows you to transcribe videos, generate videos, stock videos. Doesn't work, but in the checklist here, you notice down here, you have obviously all the AI tools, and this is free too. Just click the link in the description and you get this absolutely free. Just your email. I'm not asking for even name or phone number, just strictly email so I can send this over to you. So if we go here, this is a list. It's in the checklist, a list of reels. So what these are reels that you can literally just open, click, you can download, and then you can repurpose them yourself. So you would download that, and then to repurpose it, you would want to go to, I don't think I opened it up, but CapCut here. This is the tool that I use for editing and probably what most of you guys use as well, just because it's so simple. Just go here, and there's other things like contacts forms course, which shows you step by step. You can set up robots to send hundreds of thousands of messages for you a day. There's a video on the channel about that. This is just a file of different offer swipes, literally of every different type of niche you would want to say. Then hooks, just different hooks. A lot of these things are for emails, and then SEO, just a checklist of SEO stuff. So once you open up CapCut, so these are videos that I've already uploaded, but you would want to, boom. So let's go back. So let's say you find a video on Instagram, YouTube short that you really like. Just come over here to the AI transcriber, paste the video link here, and boom, it will transcribe the video and you'll have the exact transcription. Looks good, you like it, go ahead and hit create video, and then it'll go ahead and already start creating the video in the AI video generator. And it looks like I have a video over here that I can create. Um, Create video. How many credits do I have? 50. So I already set up my different settings, but I always turn on slide accuracy. You want to turn on slide animation. The captions aren't the best in this tool, so I just turn it off. I think I would turn it off anyways because I always import these into CapCut. 9:16. It also does 16:9, which would be like YouTube format, but I'm just creating short form content, so keep it at that. And as far as the image prompt that I give it to use, I am oh, let's go back to custom. I'm in the AI chat JPT niche, so I kind of like the look of like AI robots, stuff like that. So this is the image prompt that I use. You can copy it or whatever, do whatever you would like. Save that. It's pretty quick about creating that stuff, but and then instead of going to ChatGPT, you literally have it connected right here. This is ChatGPT. So, um, let's say you're brand new starting out and you want to create a channel. So, a list of names for an AI YouTube channel. Boom. Already have a list of AI names for you guys. And let's just go, um, what are some haven't really done keyword research. Yes, obviously doing keyword research in here is not the best, but anything that you would need for like ChatGPT, that's on the AI chat tab. Um, I don't remember Fejiv. That's funny. Um, let's go back to the AI video generator. Still creating images. We'll take a look at this one that I created. How do I preview? Pretty good. Not pretty good. Really good. Adding audio. And what you can do with all these as well, I'm not very organized with it yet. I've just been doing this, using this method for the last couple months, but is we already have all these videos, so you just keep on adding different captions, adding different like audio in the background. So when you repost these to different accounts, it doesn't look like copied and paste. All right, so video is completed. Let's see how it turned out. So one thing I did forget to do is you can change the voices. I have Shimmer. Next time we'll go with that dude. So go over here, download it. Now we're gonna go back to CapCut. So this is what, obviously these other videos, let's just go ahead and, I don't wanna do that. I'm just gonna delete, restart. You'll go up here, import. There we go. Import this video. We got the video. Let's So the audio is good. If you wanna do it just like this, you definitely can. But one thing that I've been doing is going into 11 Labs and getting a more realistic voice. I also created my own voice in here. Oh, text to speech. Um, let's go back to Shineify. Let's go back to mm, let's just use my voice because it generated my voice kind of slow for some reason. Tag 1000 AI, start by find, transcribe the audio, craft, Shineify doc. Yeah, we'll keep it in there. I'll just speed it up. Download, download that. Let's go back to this. Import the audio. So this, let's go ahead and audio. Let's just mute that. Get that. Gonna go through, just edit. Don't know if I'm gonna keep this in or not. Nope. If I speed it up a little bit too, I bet it'll. Still not the fastest at editing. Um, got all that. Let's see if I can change the speed. That should be fine. Now we go to, and also if you guys have made it this far, you can tell that I've not the best at explaining the process of what I'm doing, but hopefully with me doing limited editing and just being able to watch me do it, you guys can get something out of it. But obviously I'm gonna keep doing these every day, so I'm just gonna get better and better. Oh, auto-generated captions. Now we're gonna go to captions. No, animations. I always liked, what? I paused because I don't see the animations that I normally do, which is emojis. What? I think it did that. Boom. God. So this right here, what it's describing is literally what I'm doing. So once you put it in Shineify or whatever tool you want to create the videos, next step would be download this video to your computer. Then we want to go to a tool like Radar. It's going to be in the description. And this is what I use to schedule out all my content. You can connect all your different accounts, and this is what allows you to schedule out all your content. Um, so what I would recommend with Radar, just now that I'm thinking about it, is if you're watching this, you're starting off, or you're probably newer into this game. So just start off by creating and putting one post a day. So at least one post a day with between all of your platforms, because it's going to take you a little bit of time to warm up those accounts, especially if it's a brand new account, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. But I'm rambling. So get a tool, replicate the content, and then the whole point of creating the content is you want to send them to a link. Um, what you can do is you can send them to this checklist, literally a free checklist of tools, AI tools that they can promote. I literally, when I was first starting off, I just sent them to this checklist, and that's what I'm still doing. So that's what I would do, and then you just repeat this process. Any questions, comments, or concerns, just put them in below. Go to digitalplaybook.com to get this free checklist, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy money making.